Hey guys, welcome to my video. Please subscribe my channel for such new recipes. First one is Fanta Mojito. Let's see the recipe. And the second one is milk mojito. Let's see the recipe how to make this one. And the third one is instant chana sattu drink. Let's see how to make this one. Please subscribe my channel for such new recipes. Try this instant drink in this summer. And the fourth drink is jamun drink. Let's see how to make this one.